What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage back with another video, man. Today we're going to be unboxing a pair of grails on my sneaker list, man. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here we have it right here, man. I think that the person that sold me these sneakers didn't know the value of the sneaker, I guess, because I got this pair for retail, and when y'all see the sneaker, y'all gonna know that this sneaker right here does not go for retail at all. And even on the listing, when they put Air Jordans, and this is not a pair of Air Jordans. So if you thought it was a pair of Air Jordans, you're wrong, man. It's definitely not a pair of Jordans. But this sneaker helped mold the sneaker game, in my opinion, man. With this silhouette and with this, just a sneaker in general, and this person helped mold the sneaker game. So let's get right into the box. Into it. Short video. Just want to show y'all this grail, man. This grail status right here. And here we have it, the red box. Can y'all guess what it is yet? Let me know. Alright, still got the Nike little bubble wrap. Y'all know if y'all order a pair of sneakers from Nike, or sneakers that they give you that little bubble wrapping or whatever. But here we have it on this side. And here we have it, man. Everybody was probably thinking it was a Jordan 1 Breads, but it's not. I'm probably not gonna get the breads, Jordan 1 Breads, for a little minute, because that price is just too crazy. I might try to do like some trade or something to that sneaker, but me buying that sneaker right now for $500, I don't see myself doing it. I can't do it, man. Here we have it, Air Zoom Generation QS. So with y'all seeing this right here, y'all already know what sneaker it is now. What colorway do y'all think it is? I've been talking about two different colorways of this sneaker, and it is LeBron. LeBron's first signature sneaker in Nikes. So let's get into it. Let's open it up. Here we go. Peel that right there open. Or peel it back. Bam! There we have it. The Black Kings Rook Air Zoom Generation QS. Quick strike, that is. And here we have it, man. Ooh, you just feel better in my hand than now that I got them. This was on my ultimate grail list, but like almost every LeBron, the first signature sneaker he had, I want to get it. I want to get the original wheats. Y'all know I have these right here. Here we have it. And I want to get the white and red colorway. His first home game that he played with the white and red ones, and he played these. I think these are the ones he played with on his first game against Sacramento Kings. But I want the white and red pairs so bad, like it's crazy. So I'm gonna get that pair eventually. Somebody's trying to sell it for retail, but this pair right here goes for at least $300, and I got this for retail plus shipping. So shouts out to the person that sold them to me, man. Leather is buttery soft, like no lie, buttery soft. Got this ballistic mesh all around the shoe right here, as y'all can see. And, you know, you got the chrome back there. I don't want to take that off yet. I ain't gonna wear these for a minute, man, but having this sneaker in my hand just means a lot to me, man, because a couple years ago I know I couldn't get them, but now I got them on that restock, or they finally retroing LeBron 1s, man, so it just feels good. Can't wait to retro the LeBron 9s, because that's another silhouette of LeBron's I really feel like helped mold the sneaker game as well. That sneaker was doing like crazy numbers, crazy different colorways, and people was really feeling them, and I was one of the people. But here we have it. Nice tumble leather all across the tongue. It's just a crazy sneaker, bro. People probably don't like the way it's built or like the way the silhouette is, but y'all gotta think this is LeBron's first sneaker, and it really did help the sneaker game. Here I go, carbon fiber down there, white outsole. It's just a crazy sneaker. Which ones I like more? Probably people won't believe me, but it's these. And when I get the white and red pair, which is coming soon to the collection, just believe me, wait for that other grail unboxing. But yeah, here, these is better than these in my opinion. So two LeBrons in my collection. Or I got another pair of LeBron 10s. But as far as ones, these are only 2 I have, and I want to get more, man. I want to get the original wheats, and I want to get the white and red pair that he wore against his first home game. So yeah, man, these things is crazy. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. People probably like, damn, I ain't know DeVintage like LeBron 1s, but y'all didn't know I copped these. Y'all should know that I love LeBrons. Here go the other shoe. Right here, just a crazy, crazy sneaker, bro. crazy. Just check that out real quick. Just crazy, man. Just lost for words. I'm not gonna do a review and on feet on these just because this nigga did come out. Oh wow. This nigga did come out a while back. Pictures may be coming, but no on feet video because ain't nobody gonna watch it because the shoe's kind of old. But yeah, these things are sick. I'm glad I have these in the collection. Man, look at that Nike. Look at that Nike swoosh. That is just crazy. That ballistic mesh all around. That's this I love this sneaker, man. Ultimate Grail sneaker checked off the list, man. So that's it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, like I said, smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, comment, let me know if you want after these, and comment, let me know what other LeBrons you have in your collection. Like I said, I don't just wear Jordans or LeBrons, Jordans, Pumas, Adidas, all the above. So like I said, let me know in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe, like I already said. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. And that's it for your boy. I'll catch you on the next video. 10K on the way.
Pretty boy, killer, dark skin, Bruce Wayne.